think both of
Education here, I must truly admit, it's pulled me out of a great darkness, ignorance, and reluctance. Studying in the school has given me the time, space, and permission to learn how to tell a story. Our story and the story of how we gain the knowledge. It's the mixture of timing and whatever talent the school allowed me to foster, but most of all, it's the beautifully freckled child that I birthed here under the care of these amazing teachers. And the child they helped me nourish is as confidence, not in myself, but in my identity as a human being and in my ability as a global student. And I also must say that I'm the complete antithesis of my personality I was before. I've shed and grown into this higher version of myself, which I'm really content of, and the credit goes to only your school. Thank you.
Good afternoon, dear parents. Welcome to the parent orientation program. Time has come to look for a suitable school for your child, and I'm here with my best intention and a sincere effort to help you decide which school would be the best for your precious one. It has always been my dream to bring to Nepal a system of education that would be internationally recognized and give a new meaning to education. The way our world is evolving, I honestly believe traditional method of teaching is obsolete. My dream came true when I came across the new system of education called Global Classroom and adopted their method of teaching at Euroschool from the year 2013. I must say my decision has been the right one, as I can see my students enjoying their studies and learning better too. With many practical sessions, their lessons are more meaningful and they are able to understand the concept better. I have seen an overall improvement in their children's performance. I'm a parent and I know that a child is the most precious and a valuable gift of our lives. All our aims, purposes, decisions change as soon as we become parents. The focus and the center of our lives change completely. Being sensitive to this fact, we at Euroschool have created an environment that your child deserves, that he can trust. It's the environment of love and care and endless opportunities. We offer the best infrastructure, methodology, and curriculum. It fills me with pride to tell you that our teaching faculty is internationally trained, and we have top of the educational equipments. This is all to ensure that my children at Euroschool receive the best education in Nepal. Let me also assure you that your child's enrollment at Euroschool will be a different experience. We not only enroll your child, we enroll you too. You can enlighten yourself, dear parents. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule. I'm honored and privileged by your presence. Thank you so much. I just met two parents, both of them are doctor. They just requested, can you do a little early because they need to rush to the hospital. See how busy they are, but they are taking their time for their children. That is really good. We call Euroschool because most of the parents just now, they asked me, is it progressive learning? I said, it's a progressive learning, but we call our Euroschool as a balanced school. So you need to understand what is balanced school. Our school, we give really emphasis in academics and in the same manner for co-curricular activities. We don't call co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities also comes under the curriculum. Am I audible at the end? Is it audible, Duma? It's even co-curricular activities also we take it as a curriculum. So we try to as well as extracurricular activities. Between theoretical and practical learnings, because you must have seen how our children understand. They do first practicals, the activities, and they do learn books. That we do it. And balance between traditional teaching method and a new generation teaching aids. That we, as I said, we teach books, we use books. We say that we are also progressive learning in school, but we use books. So we balance from tradition to technical teaching aids with the new generation teaching aids. That is a computer, that is smart class. So whatever things the children can learn in the classroom, they have to go to the AV classroom and they need to see that. So we always say, no, whatever students, if they feel, or if they touch, if they can do by themselves, they understand better. So activities they do by themselves, they learn books, and they go and see in AV classroom through smart class. There are 3 ways of teaching. After that, they do the projects. Let's talk about GCPL. Most of the parents were talking about what is GCPL, what GCPL means. GCPL, the full form of Global Classroom. One of the parents just asked, Global Classroom Private Limited, GCPL means. What is GCPL? Who is the founder of GCPL? What is the background and who are the people behind the GCPL? That is also very needed to know about. Global Classroom started by Dr. Sunita Gandhi. Did her PhD from Cambridge University, UK. She's the president and co-founder for Council of Global Education, USA. She started this in the year of 2000 with the help of 200 educators from around the globe. It's not only from India, it's not only from USA, from around the globe. And now, this is running right now. Global Classroom is implemented on the schools from different 4 continents are using right now. From UK, the few schools from UK, they implement this curriculum. Iceland, USA, and India. In Asia, India, and Nepal. There are so many schools in India. Above 192 was in last year. So this year the number is really growing. And in Nepal, only the Euro school. I'll talk about only the Euro school. How is different? How we are different. So just ask me how we are different than other school. So I want to talk about how we are different. Because Global Classroom, you have to be. It's very easy for you that you can say my curriculum is from USA or from UK. Because you really need to know about R&D also, that research and development of that curriculum. Who are the one? So here for research and development for Global Classroom, it's not only those 200 educators who implemented, who did the well research and launched the curriculum. Every year the Global Classroom from their R&D department, they do well research and they launch the curriculum. And if you see the books which we are using this year, we'll do certain changes. I'm not going to say that will be totally changed. They upgrade every year. So that thing's also, the upgradations also done by the R&D department. Their R&D department are around 35 people who takes care about the research and development, and they implement every year. The principle of Global Classroom, what they believe in is compete with yourself. What is compete with yourself? We always tell our children, see your friend, your best friend, she scored 90% and see your score, it's 80%. See your sibling, she's better than you. See your friends or see your relatives, first caution, she's better than you. But in our school, we never compare one child with another. We teach them compete with yourself. You have to compete with yourself. What is the advantage of compete with yourself? See what that gives? Self-confidence, self-knowledge, self-reflection, self-analysis. What is that? If the child will score in a class 80%, the teacher gives positive vibes, self-confident, and child will score 90%. We make very sure, we give personalized attention to each child. We make very sure that child should progress. We never say that see your friends scoring 80% or 90%, yours is less. We always tell them you are capable, you can do it. We give little push and they achieve their target. See, like, if you will tell your children to compete with others, they'll crawl like a caterpillars. And if you tell your children to compete with themselves, they'll fly like a butterfly. So in our school, we make our children to fly like butterflies. I just read in a book of Bill Gates what he has written. If you compare yourself with others, that means you are insulting yourself. See, it's a crime that you are insulting yourself. So we never insult our students. We always encourage them. As I said, personalized education, each child is really matters for us. It's not the first venture, the good ones we promote. For everyone, we give them attention. We try to bring up to everyone. We make everyone to take a part or compete in our competitions to take a part in that. We make very sure the last benchers, we give them extra classes. We try our hard labor and we, in coordination with parents, we bring them up. That's the personalized education in our school. And sure your child succeed in her result. Yeah, I was showing books and diagnostic report card of the